Good morning, students. Welcome back to new session. In this session, we are going to start chapter statistics. So, chapter statistics in grade 10, we have mean, median, mode, and ogive curves, less than and greater than ogive curves. So, in this session, we are going to learn about mean. So, mean of group data can be find direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation method. Even we have median and mode. So we discuss median and mode in the next sessions. Now today we are going to discuss about mean in three different methods. So direct method, here you can use formula as sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So here sigma fi can directly taken as n also, that is total number of frequency. So fi is called frequency in this formula, and xi is the mid value or class mark of that particular class. So the marks obtained by 30 students of class 10 of a certain school in a mathematics paper consisting of 100 marks are represented in table below. Find the mean of the marks obtained by the students. Here I am taking direct method only. So if you take class mark is already given, so no need to find out class mark, that is direct value, single, it's non-group data. So directly class mark you can take as the same marks, 10, 20, 36. So here we are multiplying. In this case, so this is the product of fi and xi. So 10 into 1 is 10, 20 into 1 is 20, 36 into 3 is 108, 40 into 4 160, 50 into 3 150. So we are multiplying xi and fi, and the sum of frequency is 30, and the sum of product of frequency and class mark is 1779. So it is direct method. Direct we are keeping the value 1779 by 30. So you will get 59.3 approximate. So it is a direct method. So direct you are adding the product of fi xi and you are adding the frequencies, total number of observations, that is 30. So it is a direct method. Direct you are going to solve. So one more example you can see. Find the median of the following data. Here the class interval is 10 to 25. The class mark will be average of 10 and 25, that is 10 plus 25 by 2, 35 by 2, that is 17.5. 25 to 40, so 25 plus 40 by 2, 32.5, 47.5, 62.5. These are the class mark, that is nothing but mid value of the class intervals. So we are going to multiply fi xi. So we will get sum of fi xi, that is sigma fi xi as 1860, and product and total number of frequency is 30. Total number of frequency is 30. So here after dividing 1860 by 30, we will get mean as 62. This is direct method. Nothing is to do. First of all, you should find out the class mark, then product with observation. Class mark into observation, if you, that is number of students, frequency of that particular class, 2 into 17.5, 3 into 32.5, and after last we are going to sum all the products, that is fi xi, sigma fi xi we are going to find out, that is 1860. And you are dividing with total frequency, you will get the mean value. Now we are going to learn assumed mean method. Here the formula is a plus sigma di fi by sigma n. A is nothing but assume mean. What you are going to do in this method is you are going to assume mean from your class mark. Any one of the class mark you are going to assume the mean. And what is di? Di is nothing but mid value minus assumed mean. Mid value minus assumed mean, and n is the total frequency. You can see here in this example I have assumed 62.5 as assumed mean. So you are going to subtract 17.5 minus 62.5. You will get minus 45. So above assumed mean it will be negative numbers. At assumed mean class it will be 0, and below it will be positive numbers. So minus 45, minus 30, minus 15. You can observe difference between two assumed means will be almost the same class length. The class length is 15 for all the classes. It is uniform. So here it is a mid value. I assumed 62.5 as an assumed mean. So directly I am subtracting 16.5 from all the class marks. So I will get minus 45, minus 30, minus 15, 0, 15, 30. So you are going to multiply 2 into minus 45 is minus 90. 3 into minus 30 is minus 90. 7 into minus 15 is minus 105. 6 into 0 is 0. 6 into 15 is 90, 6 into 30 is 180. So if you add this, I will get minus 15. If you add all the columns DIFI, minus 15. So you are going to substitute the same values. A is 62.5. We assumed A as 62.5 and sigma DIFI value is minus 15 and total observations N is 30. Total observations N is 30. So plus minus 15 by 30. Minus 15 by 30 is minus 1 by 2, that is minus 0.5. You got mean as 62. The same example what we have taken in direct mean second example, with the same example I am showing you with assumed mean. You do any method, the result will be same, but the way of calculation get reduced. So this is step deviation method. So here in step deviation method, here what we are taking, mean equal to A plus sigma UIFI by sigma N into H. Here A is assumed mean, UI is nothing but D by H. You know that D is Xi minus A by H. So we are dividing with H, and H is nothing but class width and N is nothing but total frequency. So we will see with one example, same example what we have learned in the previous. Here my assumed mean is same 62.5. Here I am doing UI equal to Xi minus A by H. So Xi 17.5 minus A is minus 45 by H is 15. So minus 45 by 15 is minus 3. Here you can see wherever you have taken assumed mean, from that will be 0 and above will be, it's look like number line. Above will be minus negative numbers like minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, negative integers. Below will be a positive integers 1, 2. It look like a integers number line. Okay. So whatever you have taken assumed mean, from that class above it will be negative, below will be positive numbers, counting numbers directly. So here you got minus 3 because minus 45 by 15. It will be minus 30 by 15. It is minus 15 by 15. It is 0 by 15, 15 by 15, 30 by 15. You will get minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. It's very easy to calculate. Simple way of calculation. 2 3s are minus 6. 3 6 are minus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. 7 into minus 1 is minus 7. 6 into 0 is 0. 6 into 1 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. So you will get minus 1. The same thing you are going to substitute here. We know that A value is 62.5. Sigma UIFI I got minus 1 and the total number of frequencies is 30 and height is 15. So 15 and 30 get cancelled, get minus 1 by 2. So if we subtract 0.5 from 62.5, you will get x equal to 62. So these are the three methods. You have seen the same example with three methods. The solution is same, but the part of calculation with the huge numbers or decimal numbers, when you take step deviation method, it gets very easy. Now it gets in single digit calculation. If the class intervals is huge class intervals, you can convert into single digit by step deviation method. Always it will be 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and 1, 2, 3. One more example you can see. This is finding a missing frequencies. The mean of the following frequency is given 62.8 and find the missing frequency. Now the missing frequency, x is the missing frequency here. So 40 plus x, mean is given. So Fi is 40 plus, direct method we are doing here. So sigma Fi xi is 2640 plus 50x. So if you substitute it, you will get a linear equation, simple equation. Linear equation one variable. So x value directly you can solve, x equal to 10. If you simplify, you will get x equal to 10. In this you have two unknown terms. If two unknown terms are given, what you are going to do? We are using assumed mean method, and at one of the variable, out of two variables unknown terms, at one of the variable we are taking as assumed mean, the class mark, so that value will get 0 here. Either you can take it x or you can take it y. Here I have taken it x. So 17, the class mark of 0 to 20 is 10, 20 to 40 is 30, 40 to 60 is 50, 60 to 80 is 70, 80 to 100 is 90. So I have taken a step deviation method I am doing here. I have taken assumed mean as 30 here because I don't want one of the variable to solve. So total frequency is given already here. Total frequency is 120 in the question, you can see. So 68 plus x plus y equal to 120. If you get y value, because we have made x as 0, we will get y value. Then we are going to substitute 68 plus x plus y equal to 120 to get x value. So now I got UIFI. step deviation method. I got sigma UIF as 72 plus 2i, 72 plus 2i. So I am going to substitute, because we know mean as 50 and assume mean as 30. 72 plus 2y by 120, because total observations is 120 into 20, that is height. So after simplifying, I get y equal to 24. I said you clearly, if you get one of the variable, because one variable we made 0 by taking that class as assumed mean. So other variable you can easily simplify by substituting y value in this. 68 plus x plus y equal to 120. So x equal to 28. Thank you students. That's all for today. Have a great day.